Hi there, today we're working with this Polestar case. It's actually broken. You can see this catch is no longer catching, and because of that, this top half keeps popping off. So I've purchased this Polestar case cover. They also make Volvo, but let me just show you how this looks. They make lots of different styles. This one I chose is kind of that alligator skin. They also make metallic, carbon fiber, solid color, all that jazz. So let's go ahead and swap out this case. If your case wasn't broken, you want to pull this down and slide that out, but obviously mine's broken, so it's very simple. Then to get the back half off, slide this piece over and slide the back out. And this, it's very simple, just goes on like that, and put the back cover on. I think it's like that. Nope. Okay, that's it. That's how simple it is. Very easy. Nice, clean, slick look. Hope you enjoyed. If you're interested in picking one of these up, I've put a link below in the description. Thanks for watching. Take care.